slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys, RepKicks back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at these Yeezy slides. Quick little look, these are from YesKicks. If you're new to your channel and you like what you see in the video, make sure to show your boys some love, subscribe, drop a like, turn on notifications, and follow my Instagram at RepKicks. With that being said, that link is in the description, and with that out of the way, let's get right into it guys. No stalling, nothing like that. These took about a week and a half, 2 weeks to get here. Pretty typical for YesKicks. Came double box, bubble wrapped, all that. Box is nice. And yeah man, that's pretty much it. Not going to take too much of your guys' day. Just going to get through the video relatively quick. So let's get right into it, I guess. So here is the website information. Got the website, obviously, the email, WeChat, and if you use the code RepKicks, you can save yourself $15 site-wide. So a little disclosure, I don't condone buying any of this stuff. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. With that being noted, just keep that in mind. These are not recommended to buy. Shopping on any of the sites reviewed on the channel are not recommended technically, but you guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. And yeah man, that's all I can really say on that. So these, throw those to the side. Here is the box it comes with. Just says slides at the top. Yeezy slide made by Adidas. Inside there you got paperwork, or the paper, sorry, and then you got a little size tag as well. So there's that. This tag, sorry, was not on the slides themselves, so I mean, there's that. Who really cares, right? So let me show the size tag of the box as well. There's that Yeezy slide. I think these are maybe the pure gray. I don't even know the exact colorway of these, but these are US 10 men's, and that's pretty much it for that. So slide that over there. Take a look at the slides themselves, and here they are, man. So nothing crazy going on for these, just a slide. I mean, there's not a whole lot to talk about with these. It's a fairly straightforward thing. Got Yeezy on the inside. Whatever else does it say? If I can actually get it to focus. Yeah, I don't know what else that says. Made in China? Yeah, I think made in China. Got the Adidas logo here on the little pad for your heel. Nice and squishy. Actually, that's super comfortable, like that. So nice and squishy there. Bottom, nothing crazy going on. It's just the way they make these is just injection molded, as far as I know. So sometimes you see stuff like that. Nothing crazy really. So that's basically it. No other details. I have not seen really any mistakes on these. They look proper from what I can see, so that's good. Oh, there's a size tag as well, so let's go over that. Adidas, size US 10, made in China, blah blah blah. But yeah, you guys got all the information there. So that's basically it for the right one. Left one obviously will be the same. Squishy pad. I believe there is a size as well on these, or the size sticker, sorry. So there's that. Inside, made in China. Oh, and then it says 10 US. That's what it is. So it says it's the size, actually. So I mean, all in all, nothing real crazy going on. Pretty simple. You know what I mean? But yeah, man. Happy nonetheless. These are not for myself, they're for a friend of mine. So yeah, there's that. Keep in mind with this stuff, sometimes shipping can be delayed depending on because I think China's going through it again with COVID and whatnot, right? So just keep in mind, be patient. Obviously I didn't really have any delays getting these, so there's that. But if something does happen delay wise, try to be patient, obviously, just because there's stuff going on all over the world, right? So yeah, that's basically it though. I'm gonna let you guys go enjoy the rest of your day. Weather's finally getting nice, so I mean, there's that. So it's nice to finally have summer again. So with that being said though, guys, I'm gonna let y'all go. Make sure if you enjoyed the video, stay tuned for more. Check out the other videos. There's more heat on the channel. Show some love to your boy, show some support so I can keep pumping these videos out. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Go enjoy the rest of your day, morning, night, whatever time you guys are watching this video. And I will catch y'all in the next one.